Welcome to the Holiday Shelter Channel. Today we're visiting Sage Canyon Cliff House near Mesa Verde, United States. Set on the flank of Sleeping Ute Mountain in historic McElmo Canyon, the Cliff House has all you need for a perfect stay. In addition to being built into sandstone rock, the Cliff House is landscaped with native species that bloom all summer. Around the corner from the house, in another rock alcove, is a little lawn. Enjoy comfortable porch seating with a stunning view. The Cliff House is built right into the red rock cliff wall of a private red rock canyon alcove with comfortable amenities. Nearby petroglyphs and sweeping views down canyon. A perfect place to base yourself for your next creative endeavor or for exploring in the wilds of the Four Corners. Guests at the holiday home can enjoy hiking and cycling nearby or make the most of the garden. Thank you for visiting. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to hear about new videos. Stay tuned.